Well, the Aam Aadmi Party is going all out to establish its Sanatan credentials ahead of the elections in the national capital. Now, day after announcing honorarium for pujaris and granthis, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has brought out a charge sheet to show how they were standing with the Hindus and their causes, and this time the mandirs in the national capital. Now, accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of planning to demolish Hindu temples and a Buddhist religious place in the city, the Chief Minister said that a religious committee under a Lieutenant Governor in the national capital had ordered for demolition of 6 religious structures in different parts of the city. She went on to say that religious committee, since its formation, worked under the Delhi Home Minister and its decisions were approved by the minister. However, according to her, in this particular case, the committee's decision was not presented before either the Chief Minister or the Home Minister of the Delhi government, and instead it was cleared by the LG. Now, she has said that as far as BJP is concerned, the Saffron Party is behind the ploy to demolish the religious place in the national capital, a big charge coming from the Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi Chief Minister. Listen it.
कल जब मैंने एलजी साहब को चिट्ठी लिखी तो उनके ऑफिस ने कई मीडिया वालों को कहा कि ऐसा कोई भी निर्णय मंदिर तोड़ने का नहीं हुआ। ये सरासर झूठ है। 22 नवंबर को रिलीजियस कमेटी की मीटिंग हुई है और उसमें कई मंदिर तोड़ने का फैसला हुआ है। इस फैसले के होने के बाद ये फाइल भारतीय जनता पार्टी केंद्र सरकार के नुमाइंदे जो एलजी साहब हैं उनके पास भेजी गई। एलजी साहब ने इस फाइल को अप्रूवल दे दिया है और अब चाहे डीडीए हो, चाहे एमसीडी हो, चाहे दिल्ली पुलिस हो, चाहे जो वहां का डीएम एसडीएम हो, वो इन सब मंदिरों को तोड़ने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं।
Well, former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, took it a notch further. He, in fact, drew parallel between his announcement of 18,000 rupees per month honorarium for temple priests and what they allege, what BJP's attempt to demolish temples in the national capital. He said that there was anger in the people of the national capital against the Bharatiya Janata Party for what it was doing. Now, the LG has vehemently rebutted all these charges that have come from the Aam Aadmi Party, accusing the Chief Minister of indulging in cheap politics. A statement issued by the office claimed that no place of worship was being demolished in Delhi, and in fact, the LG office hadn't even received any file in this regard. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party that had dubbed Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal Chunavi Hindu cited this as another example of how the ruling party in the national capital only finds affinity for Hindus when elections are on the anvil and doesn't even resist from resorting to fakery to communalize for political expediency as far as this entire controversy is concerned. Now, Congress too is using this particular opportunity to take on the Aam Aadmi Party just 1 month ahead of the crucial Delhi elections. Have a look at the war of words.
मुझे अफसोस है कि दिल्ली में एक ऐसी मुख्यमंत्री हैं जो अपनी संवैधानिक मर्यादा को नहीं समझते। आज नए वर्ष के पहले दिन वो दिल्ली का धार्मिक सद्भाव खराब करना चाहते हैं और आज जानबूझकर मंदिरों का नाम ले लेकर जिस तरह से आप दिल्ली में सांप्रदायिक तनाव पैदा करना चाहती हैं, मैं आपको चेतावनी देता हूं। अगर दिल्ली में कोई भी दुर्घटना घटती है तो उसकी जिम्मेदार आप होंगी, क्योंकि आप सनातन और हिंदू धर्म विरोधी हैं।
ये सब इस समय जो भी आतिशी जी कर रही हैं या आम आदमी पार्टी कर रही है, ये सब चुनाव के तहत है। ये चीज़ें पहले से होती आती हैं। मुझे मालूम है, मैं भी सरकार में रहा हूँ, जो मंदिरों को या इलीगल इमारतों को या सड़क के कारण या किसी और के कारण मंदिरों को शिफ्ट करने की या उनको हटाने की जो कमेटी होती है, उसका एक तौर तरीका होता है। उसमें सरकार के भी लोग बैठते हैं। सरकार के अधिकारियों पर इनका कोई कंट्रोल है नहीं, इनको कोई समझ नहीं है क्या चीज़ आनी है क्या चीज़ नहीं आनी है। और अब एक नया चीज़ इन्होंने पिछले 2 साल में ले ली है कि हर चीज़ जिसमें इनको लगता है कि इनको वोट नहीं मिलेगा या वोट असर हो जाएगा, उसकी फाइल एक एलजी साहब के पास भेज देते हैं और खुद जो चाहे वो करते रहते हैं। मुझे इसमें कोई गंभीरता आतिशी जी की तरफ से दिखती नहीं है।
Well, crossing over to my colleague Isha for more updates on this. Yeah, Isha, good morning. Now, a charge coming from the Aam Aadmi Party that LG, in fact, ordered demolition of 6 religious places in the national capital, a charge denied by the LG. And he has, in fact, gone on to call Atishi and that she is indulging in cheap politics. Give us more details.
Right, Akanksha, very good morning to you. But the back and forth between the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government and the Lieutenant Governor of the national capital is only intensifying as the Delhi elections approach. And now the face-off is over the alleged order on demolitions of religious places. And the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, as you were also pointing out, did come out and state that Vinay Saxena, the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, has ordered the demolition. And his statements have his office has clarified that there are no such files that have come to him and he has not approved of anything. But also a fact that also needs to come to light is that this is not just one individual who can clear a file or not. There is a religious committee that is headed by an administrative head in Delhi, and there are people who belong from the Aam Aadmi Party in that committee and from the LG office as well. So there is an office there is a committee which takes decisions on on demolitions and on historic places and the conserving them. So for the Delhi Chief Minister to just come out and say that the LG has ordered this may not be absolutely factually correct, because the committee has not ordered any such thing as of now, is what we're hearing so far. But again, the question that comes to the fore is that this is a lot of politics, this is a lot of back and forth between the two political groups. The BJP now slamming the Aam Aadmi Party, stating that this is just vote bank politics. But again, the Aam Aadmi Party is also receiving flack from Hindus, because their scheme about giving about 18,000 rupees to priests hasn't been received warmly as well, because priests of the national capital are very well aware that this is a scheme which is just a poll promise, and they are stating that this cannot be actually implemented. So the Aam Aadmi Party is receiving a lot of flack from a lot of ends, and definitely this means they have to explain a lot. But at the moment, Vinay Saxena has said that no such demolitions have been ordered, and only time will tell if actually any demolitions were ordered and if there is any substantiation to Atishi's claims.
That's right. So a big claim coming from the Aam Aadmi Party that there's a bid to demolish religious place in the national capital, a charge denied by LG office. He has in fact called the Chief Minister that she is indulging in cheap politics. Thank you, Isha, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Now